Today, we're diving into a tool that's looking to be more than just another AI assistant. It's designed to be an actual partner in your code. This is all about Claude Code. So think about the AI tools you're probably using right now. They're pretty good at suggesting the next line, maybe finishing a function for you. But what if it could go way, way beyond that? What if your AI could understand your entire project, take on really complex tasks, and even work across all the different tools you use every day? That's the big question we're going to explore.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll meet this AI coder and figure out what it's all about. Then we'll see the tough tasks it can automate. After that, we'll look at where you can use it, how to customize it for your team, and finally, how you can get up and running in just a few minutes.
Okay, let's get right into it. What exactly is Claude Code? And more importantly, what makes it so different from all the other tools out there that you might already be using? So here's the official description. And the one word you really need to latch onto here is agentic. It's a fancy word, but it just means it has agency. It can actually take action for you. It's not just suggesting things, it does things. It reads your files, it edits your code, it runs commands, and it connects all the dots between your different dev tools. And here's the crucial part, the real secret sauce. It's not just looking at the one file you have open. It has the context of your entire code base. And because of that, it can tackle problems that are way more complex than a simple autocomplete tool ever could. I think this is the perfect way to think about it. A normal code completer, it's like a really smart spell checker. But Claude Code, it's more like a junior developer that you can pair program with. Someone you can give tasks to who actually understands the project's goals and actively helps out. Okay, so we've covered the what, but why is this such a potential game changer? Let's get into the good stuff, the really tough, tedious tasks that this thing is built to just handle. Every single developer has that list of jobs they just dread. You know what I'm talking about. Writing tests for some ancient code, hunting down linting errors across the entire project, or trying to untangle a really nasty merge conflict. Claude Code is designed to take all of that off your plate. And that's not just about saving time. It's about freeing up your brain space for the hard, creative problems you actually want to solve. And it goes so far beyond just cleaning things up. You can literally describe a new feature in plain English, and it'll figure out a plan and start writing the code across multiple files. Or, get this, you can just paste in some bizarre error message, and it'll trace the bug through the whole codebase to find the real problem and then fix it. Now, this is where it gets really, really powerful. It can connect your entire development toolchain together. Just imagine this workflow. It reads a design spec from a Google Doc, automatically finds and updates the right ticket in Jira, and even pulls in some key context from a related Slack conversation. It's all about breaking down those walls between your tools. And for those of you who really want to push the envelope, there are some seriously advanced features. You can actually create whole teams of AI agents that work on different parts of a problem at the same time, all coordinated by a lead agent. Or if you have a totally unique workflow, you can use their SDK to build your very own custom agents from scratch. So, you have all this power, which is awesome. But where can you actually use it? The whole idea here is not to force you into some new, clunky environment. It's about bringing all this capability right into the workflow you already have. Basically, it meets you wherever you are. Whether you live and breathe in the terminal, you're a diehard VS Code or JetBrains fan, you prefer a standalone app, or you just need to check on something from your web browser or phone, Claude Code is there. And this is a great illustration of how there's a specific tool for every job. Want to step away from your computer but keep an eye on a long-running task? Use a remote control on your phone. Want to automate your code reviews? Just plug it right into your CI/CD pipeline on GitHub or GitLab. It's all about fitting the tool to your task, not the other way around. Look, a generic tool is good, but a tool that understands your team's specific ways of doing things, that's great. So let's see how you can actually tailor Claude Code to fit your project's unique rules and processes. This is such a simple but brilliant idea. You can add a single file to your project called claude.md, and in that file, you just tell it everything it needs to know. Your coding standards, your architecture patterns, which libraries you prefer, even your PR review checklists. It reads this file every single time it starts, so it always follows your team's rules. You can also build your own custom commands for things you do all the time. Just think about the normal PR review process, right? You got to check out the branch, look at the changes, add comments. Now imagine squishing all of that into one simple command that anyone on the team can use, like /review PR. That's the kind of efficiency we're talking about here.
All right, you've seen what it is, you've seen what it can do, so how do you actually get your hands on it? The best part is you can be up and coding with it in like 2 minutes. Seriously.
It really is this easy. Step 1, pick where you want to use it. Your terminal, VS Code, whatever. Step 2, run the one-line install command you'll find in the docs. And step 3, the very first time you run it, it'll ask you to log in. That's it. You're done. You're ready to go.
And hey, for all you terminal fans out there, you've got options. The native install is recommended because it handles auto updates, which is super convenient. But if you're a homebrew person on Mac or a Winget user on Windows, don't worry, those are fully supported too.
So as we wrap this up, it really leaves us with a pretty massive question. When your AI can understand a whole code base and it can manage complex tasks all by itself, you got to start wondering, is this the future? Is this how all software is going to be built from now on? Something to think about. Thanks for tuning in to this explainer.